how to fix Instagram Reels videos not working or not playing. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps, and then go to the apps again. Right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is just keep waiting a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it like this. Click here on force stop and then go down to the storage right here. Click on clear data, clear cache, and then go back. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again and reopen Instagram, and the problem of the reels or the videos not playing is gonna be solved 100%. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.